In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Retool. If you're looking to integrate AI-powered chat into your Retool applications, you've come to the right place. We'll explore the process step by step, showing you how simple it is to get started with this powerful technology. Let's dive right in by creating a new app within Retool. When you're in the Retool dashboard, locate the option to create something new. You'll want to choose App from the list of options. This action sets the stage for us to start building a chat application using Retool's intuitive interface. Once you've got your new app ready, the next task is to add the LLM chat component. Head over to the component panel, which is essentially a menu full of widgets and tools you can use. Here, you'll find the LLM chat component. It's as easy as dragging and dropping this component right onto your canvas. This intuitive approach helps in visually setting up the chat feature you want to implement. The beauty of using this LLM chat component lies in its automatic setup capabilities. It instantly creates an AI action query, essentially a pre-configured action that manages all your chat interactions. This part of the process is key because it significantly reduces the amount of manual setup you would need to do otherwise. If you're curious to learn more about these components, the Retool documentation is a valuable resource that can guide you through various functionalities and use cases. Now, let's focus on configuring the chat component you've placed onto your canvas. The first thing you'll need to decide on is which AI model you'd like to employ. For this demonstration, we'll be using GPT-4, although you might have other options available depending on your specific requirements or preferences. It's important to choose a model that aligns with the complexity and type of interactions you're planning for your users. Furthermore, if you're interested in enhancing the contextual capabilities of your AI interactions, consider enabling the Use Retool Vectors option. This feature lets you select a vector store, which can enrich the AI's understanding by providing more context to the queries it's handling. This can be particularly advantageous if your application involves complex or niche content that requires detailed understanding. Finally, make sure to take a moment to customize the appearance and behavior of your chat component to match the overall design and functionality goals of your app. Retool gives you the flexibility to adjust things like color schemes, text prompts, and user interaction patterns, ensuring your final product is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use ChatGPT in Retool. By following these steps, you've integrated a smart, responsive AI chat into your application, enhancing user experience and interaction. With these tools at your disposal, the possibilities for what you can create are vast, so go ahead and start experimenting with these powerful features.